know that Bollywood's top actresses aren't exactly the easiest people to deal with. But just why have Kareena, Katrina and Ash all decided to pull stunts of a completely new level at the same time?
Jumping off mountain tops, diving into the deep sea, revving their way up rocky roads. These stunts may look effortless on screen, but as any action expert will tell you, it's tougher than it looks. Our very own Desi divas, and sometimes not even on camera.
Every morning we'd have a wake-up call at 5 and then we'd go trekking. That was going to the location.
But then again, as any of his leading ladies will tell you, from Manisha Koirala to Ash, you sign on to a Mani Ratnam film and you're on for a challenge.
I was dragged, pulled, pushed, tied, blindfolded, dunked and thrown into water. Nothing short of drowning and screaming for help, and Mani loved that. It would be like, yeah, that's as real as it's getting, love it.
And when not hiking her way out of sticky situations, Deepika Padukone's got a taste for the deep sea while shooting Houseful. Yes, after matching Akshay Kumar kick to kick in Chandni Chowk to China, the bikini-clad beauty's taken the plunge and enjoyed it so much that she's looking to become a certified diver.
Yes, I'd like to believe कि मैं next female Akshay Kumar हूँ.
Katrina Kaif, of course, shares more than a certain leading man with Deepika. She now seems determined to match her stunt for stunt. She will not only be seen doing some underwater stunts, but also dirt biking through Zoya Akhtar's Racing with the Bulls. And how can Kareena Kapoor be far behind? It's time for Bebo to show there's more to her than size 0, opposite the king in Ra 1 and boyfriend Saif in Agent Vinod. And lastly, as Priyanka Chopra takes on Fear Factor, all we can say is she didn't actually have to look to the cricket world to find a troupe of real Khatron Ke Khiladi. In Mumbai, Divya Unni for NDTV.